Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change and manage equalizer presets for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application, then scroll down a little bit and click on the equalizer. Now choose the best one preset for you, and also you can change this preset. Just click choose the best one for you, let's say bass, and click after that on the settings icon. And if you want to change it, just change, then click save, and it add another preset. You can remove this preset if you don't want it, just click on the trash icon, and after that click remove. Now I choose the best one for me, this one, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!